Okay. Why are you closing your eyes now after you already read what it says? Let me see. You read it?
I didn't.
Okay. Are you sure about that? Are you sure? Okay. Okay, come on. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Right here in front of you.
Hey, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you know what the other one says?
What?
You have to get it and look at it.
There's some at home.
And I had a dream that someday I would just fly away. And I always knew I couldn't stay. So I had a dream that I'd just fly away. I've been on my own for a minute. Is it only me out there? Searching for the place to begin it. Is it me? Is it you? Is it fear? Standing on the